Hi, good evening. My name is Chisom. So today I'll be walking you through how I analyzed the Metro Bank loan analysis, how I got my data sets, and everything that I did with the data set. So here's the original data set that I downloaded. This one and this one as well. They're the original data set that I downloaded, but I made a copy. Yeah, I made a copy of them because I cannot use the original data set for my analysis. I made a copy of them. So here's the pivot table and here is the account table. So in the account table, this credit score status, I created the column myself. So instead of analyzing with credit score using numbers and everything, I decided to categorize it into good, bad, and excellent. So if any of our customers have a certain number of credit score, it's automatically categorized as good, bad, or excellent. Then the multiple accounts, number of multiple accounts, I used count ifs for this. Yeah, I use count ifs for this. And this one, I use if statement to create this. I use this statement to create this. Then this is my dashboard. So in this dashboard, it shows that we have 500 customers with 800 accounts. Yeah. Then we also have 579 of average credit score and $3.7 million in approved loan. Yeah. So here in the average credit score, it shows that we have approved as 580, then rejected as 591. You might be wondering why rejected average credit score is higher than approved. So during my analysis and research, I got to find out that credit score is not the benchmark, is not the only thing that is judged during loan approval and the rest. So there are other factors that are considered before a loan will be approved or rejected. Factors like job instability. Yeah, if the customer doesn't stay in a particular job for a long time, if the customer jumps from one job to another, yeah, it flags the customer as not being stable and not and might not be capable of repaying the loan. So here we are looking at generation and average balance. Shows that in here we have that adults have the highest average balance than any other generation that we have here. And the adults we are talking about is between 30 and 45. Yeah, shows that they have highest average balance than any other generation. And here we are looking at the most popular account type. And the most popular account type that we have here, the most popular account type that we have here is the savings account. Yeah, the savings account is the most popular account type that we have here with about 303 customers, 303 of our customers using this particular savings account type. And here we are looking at average balance and customer segment. So we are trying to segment our customers and look at their average balance, and it shows that private customer segments have the highest average balance, followed by retail, then corporates having the least. It's about $259, 460. So I added some icons and linked it to my work. So this one takes you to my pivot table where I did my analysis and the rest. So and this icon takes you back to my dashboard. This icon takes you to my customer table. Yeah, customer table. And this icon as well take you to my pivot table. This one will take you back to my dashboard. This icon, the home icon, takes you back to my accounts table. Yeah, and in my accounts table, I added some, I did some, I added some column like, yeah, this credit score. Then I didn't use the mode to impute this, which is rejected being the mode. No, I decided to use pending. so it won't bring in much error. It won't bring in much error in my analysis, or it won't bring in error at all in my analysis. So this is my analysis and this is my dashboard. Thank you.